Hello everyone, this is Chris Presents. It's Wednesday morning, 6:30 a.m. February 2nd, 2022. This is a Chicago snowstorm. We're on Pearson Street. I'm just going to do a short video for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I'm on Pearson Street in the Streeterville area of downtown Chicago. I'm just going to show you a little bit what's going on here with the snow. It's coming down real hard. So I'm just going to turn around and show you. That's Lakeshore Park over there, and then you have Pearson Street here. Look at that. Just to give you an idea, I'm going to film more videos later on. Thank you everybody for watching.